question that typically follows upon questions about the presumed greenhouse effect is the one about ozone. Over the years, the greenhouse effect has been renamed to global warming and then climate change, because toward the end of the period when the Earth was supposed to get warmer and the trend didn't seem to be continuing upward, people had to invent another way of continuing the scare. And as that happens, the scare tactics get more and more self-contradictory. So the idea of climate change is that we're doing something wrong, whether it's warmer, making the Earth warmer or colder, and it's all our fault and it's bad no matter what. With the ozone, it's difficult to get the Earth overheating and depleting in ozone at the same time because sunlight and warmth create ozone. The hole opens up over the South Pole, Antarctica, because ozone can't be created when there's not enough sunlight and warmth, and that's the coldest place on Earth. But it's also a place devoid of industrial activity, so it's pretty unlikely that the hole over the South Pole is being created by something that people are doing when there's no cities underneath it. Also, we don't know how long the ozone hole's been there. We've known of it only in modern times because we had the means of looking for it, the technology, and for all the rest of history, it might have been there the whole time from natural causes, and we wouldn't have known the difference. Also, the best place to be to avoid ultraviolet radiation is always in the dark. Even under the ozone hole in the South Pole, in winter, the sun isn't coming out, or it's coming out at a very low angle to the horizon, so it would still be a relatively good place to be shielded from ultraviolet radiation, because the more atmosphere it has to penetrate, the less of it gets through. Now, if you have a relatively thick atmosphere, like in the tropics, and you have cloud cover, there's still a small amount of ultraviolet radiation getting through. So from the vampire's point of view, you'd still be better off at the South Pole in winter than you would be near the equator when the sun's high in the sky.